before I start the video, Logan, if you're watching this, I will do the Mr. Salt and Mr. Pepper Day after this one. I promise. Thank you.
Okay. Now that we're in our thinking chair, let's think. Okay. We really need to figure out what I need to feel better. Our clues are a spoon, a bowl, and vegetables. So what could Blue think I need to feel better with a spoon, a bowl, and vegetables? Do you think maybe Blue wants me to do the vegetable dance?